Okay. Hold on, I'll be back, okay? Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch it there. Sige. Don't touch that one. Oh, shoot. Wow. Really? What you doing? Yes, you do. Ano ginagawa? Ano ginagawa niya? Kaloka, uy. Talaga. What you doing? Yeah, talk to the bird. What bird? I don't hear you. You wanna play? Nagsusumba siya. Kaloka siya, uy. Ang dami mong angel dyan, Aisa, ha? Nanonood lagi. Ano yung mga angel niya yan? Iniwan ko lang siya, nagsasayaw na mag-isa. Jilana, can you do the zip line there again? No, the baby zip line. Where's your baby zip line? How come you said yes? Why you said yes? You should have said no. Oh, you could have said wait for mom, Dad. Why you didn't say wait for mom? Ah, you wanna do your hand? No, just use your thing. Gusto niyang hawakan. That's a mud cake. There's the bird waiting for you. Guys, ang dami mong baon na Angel. Bagong recruit ni Madam Maricar. Birdie, 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 where are you? Yeah, I hold it. Why what the bird is saying? Do you know what the bird was saying? Bye, bird. Say bye-bye. Oh, ang dami. Ghostbuster. Oo, Des. Parang uulan. Makulimlim, oh. Katatapos lang ng ulan. Sarap ng tulog ni Jewel doon, no? Tulog si Jewel. Nakikinig lang si Jewel. Ang sarap ng tulog ni Jewel.